Hello guys. Yesterday we was studied about the heart. What is the heart? Which pumps the blood throughout the body via the circulatory system. Then we studied its location. Heart is located in a chest, in between the lungs, behind the sternum and above the diaphragm. Now, then we studied its weight of heart. There is a different weight of heart in a male and female. 280 gram in a male and 250 gram in a female. 280 gram in a male, 250 gram in a female. Now, then we see the detailed information about the chamber of heart. 4 chamber of heart, and we called it right atria, left atria, right ventricle, left ventricle. Now, this is our part 2 of chamber of heart. Now, what is the coronary sulcus? What is the coronary sulcus? First we studied about what is the coronary sulcus. Is a transverse external groove. Transverse external groove between atria and ventricle. Between atria and ventricle. Is an what? Transverse external groove between atria and ventricle. Okay. Now next point is a interventricular sulcus. What is the interventricular sulcus? External groove between 2 ventricles. What is the ventricular sulcus? Interventricular sulcus. It is the external groove between 2 ventricles. It is the what? External groove between our 2 ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricle. Next point, atria. Atria is also called as auricles. Atria, we also called it auricles. The atria, it is a ear-like outgrowth. Ear-like outgrowth present over the ventricles, and left auricle is smaller than right. The left auricle or atria is smaller than right, and it is a ear-like outgrowth present over the ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricle. Now we studied about the right atrium. What is the function of right atrium? It received which blood? It received deoxygenated blood through superior and inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. What is the function of right atrium? It received deoxygenated blood through superior and inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Okay. Then what is the left atrium? It received the oxygenated blood through four pulmonary veins. What is the function of left atrium? Receive oxygenated blood through 4 pulmonary veins. Okay. Now left ventricle. The left ventricle is much more thicker and larger than right ventricle. Left ventricle is much more thicker and larger than the right ventricle. Right ventricle, and from the left ventricle there is a systematic arc are arised. Systematic arc are arised. Okay. So last point is a right ventricle. Right ventricle is smaller than left ventricle. Right ventricle is smaller than the left ventricle, and from the right ventricle there is a pulmonary arc are arising. Pulmonary arc are arising. Now, so what is the coronary sulcus? Transverse external groove between atria and ventricle. What is the interventricular sulcus? External groove between 2 ventricles, right ventricle, left ventricle. Now, atria, we also called it auricle. What is the? It is a ear-like outgrowth present over the ventricles, and left auricle is smaller than right. What is the right atrium? What is the function of right atrium? Receive the deoxygenated blood through superior and inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. What is the function of left atrium? Receive the oxygenated blood through four pulmonary veins. What is the function of left ventricle? Much more thicker and larger than the right ventricle, and systematic arc from that arise. Okay, now the last is the right ventricle are smaller than left ventricle, and pulmonary arc arise from the right ventricle. Okay, so this is our part 2, chamber of heart. In the next video, we studied about part 3, conducting tissue of heart. Thank you so much.